Our first challenge of creating an off-grid home is to ensure that all the surroundings of this wild terrain fully supports our overall vision. And this is how we're going to tame the wild.
Despite the setbacks that this delay has caused us, we're trying to keep our spirits up, and we've rescheduled the works a little bit now, getting to grips with our jungle of a garden, trying to give it some shape. We're still hoping to get the permit through so that we can get started and do the necessary steps before the winter hits. The property is a mix of a small oak forest and a rocky hill, gently sloping down into natural terraces and open plains on both sides. Our Terra Rossa, which means red earth, is rich in minerals and iron with excellent water retention, perfect for vines and fruit trees, but a little tricky for vegetable crops. So soil improvement will be one of our first big challenges. Most of the olive grove has been lost to Xylella, but almond, fig, carob, bay leaf and hardy herbs still thrive here. Our first big step is to clear out the old and dead growth and start shaping the garden. We've chosen an area that feels manageable for this first stage, close to the house with great natural slopes feeding into it.
We use these natural slopes and maybe we try and slow it down slightly more by building these walls up a little bit.
Along the edges, we'll plant trees and bushes, while the lower terrace will be divided, one half for crops, the other for vines. Before we can plant anything, we need to bring the soil back to life. We'll do that in 4 ways. This winter, we'll plant a variety of cover crops to protect and enrich the ground. Grasses and grains. These act to bind water and build valuable biomass for the future crops. Legumes. These will fix nitrogen and feed the living network beneath the surface. Taproots, like radishes. We use those to break up compacted soil and cycle nutrients between the layers. Broadleaves and flowers, finally. They will help us attract pollinators and beneficial insects. So together, these will be the first step towards transforming this red earth into thriving living soil.
So we've taken down all of the big sick trees here, which makes me really sad. But it's something that we need to do. It's a pity.
It might not look like much yet, just cleared ground and red earth, but this is where every journey begins, by making space for what's to come.